To adjust the screen brightness level in the heating home routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap heating home routine, tap brightness. To adjust the screen brightness level, slide the brightness adjustment bar to the right to get a brighter screen, or slide it to the left to get a dimmer screen. As the example, we will set the screen brightness level to 50%. Next, tap done button to save the change. Now, when heating home routine is active, your phone will automatically adjust the screen brightness level to 50%. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.